Hi, I'm Jody.
Hi, I'm Zach, and you're watching Client Convos with Cresa, Albany. I was introduced to Ron from BST through a mutual friend. She was telling me about how they had this great culture. They had a ton of people. They were trying to recruit. They had this old office space that just didn't really fit the image of the organization and where they wanted to go. It was kind of this immediate, well, hey, we do that. It started with workplace solutions, tenant representation. That's helping find the location, negotiate the lease, and then design development, where you were able to come in and really take what you had learned in the beginning from the strategy aspect and incorporate it into the space.
What you're about to see is the client convo chat of the process that we went through. We had a great time discussing this with BST.
I always thought of Cresa being that tenant broker. It was just about the transaction. It wasn't about the design or the project management or all those other things. That's what you think. You think tenant broker, you commission, right, transaction, and you're done. Not the full scope of things that you guys have done and brought to us.
We came in with a few, I would say, guiding principles, but really we had no idea what we wanted. So Jody's team was super helpful in us really getting a good vision before we even went to look at one office space.
Workplace design doesn't start with, design documents and drawings. It really starts with kind of the workplace discovery and the strategy, the process that we went, and defining your culture. What does that mean from a square footage analysis when we talk about things like hybrid work models and zero address or sharing desks, all the way to what does that space actually look like. So that's part of the process that really goes into it before it goes to the transaction team. Some of those abstract exercises we did very early on before we even looked at space helped define what space you really wanted to find.
It's not just about the transaction or some of the other services that we provide, but it really is about strategy through implementation and really guiding the client and supporting them through the whole process. That really is where we differentiate from other firms.
This has been a perfect project to showcase how Cresa is very different than any other commercial broker in the Capital Region.